Hi guys, I'm Mark from City Fleet SITRAK here in Brisbane. We're located just off the Pacific Highway in Springwood. Today behind me we've got the SITRAK G5S, which is a brand new truck in our range of trucks. We thought we'd take you guys for a bit of a look at it. There's been a lot of buzz around this truck, so let's go for a look. So our performance upgrades on the truck, we've now got a 350 horsepower engine in the truck, which a lot of people have asked for. This truck is Euro 6 compliant, so we now have a DPF on here as well. The transmission has had an upgrade. The transmission is now 4430 Allison transmission, 6-speed, which is an upgrade from the previous transmission, which was a 3000 series transmission. With the cab, we've got a complete update on the exterior and the interior of the truck. From the front, we've got LED headlights now, fog lights down the bottom, and a new grille. On the side of the truck here, we've got a new configuration of steps. To get into the truck, your door opens up here to 90 degrees. We've got our 3 steps here, our 2 grab rails. So we've got really easy access in and out of the cab, and we can maintain it, which is really important, our 3 points of contact in and out. Now our suspension package on this truck, we've got a load share suspension system in the front, and at the rear of the truck here, we've got a 4-bag Hendrickson setup in the back of the truck. On the inside of the cab, you'll notice we've had a major upgrade, and I'm also sitting in an Israel heated and cooled seats, which just makes those long days a little more comfortable. We've also now got a keyless ignition on the truck. So in front of my left knee here is our stop button, and our keys just sit on the dash. Our instrument display, we've got a full LED display here with all our gauges and everything on it. So all our information it's right in front of us there. It's nice and easy to see. And our head unit now is a touch screen. So we've got everything there at our fingertips, which is just nice and handy. So our radio, Bluetooth, and everything is accessible through our head unit, which is a complete upgrade from our old truck. Our gear select is also new. It was in the middle of the truck before, so now it's just a toggle switch here on my left, and if we want to select gears, it's on the stalk here on my right. Also here we've got heated mirrors, which our controls are just here on my right, so we've got a 360 degree adjustment on our top and bottom mirror, which makes it nice and easy to see your rear wheels when you're backing into a job site. So those nice tight job sites, you can put your mirrors down and watch your wheels as you back into the job. So guys, that was a quick walk around of the G5S. If anyone's interested, just give us a quick call here at City Fleet, and any member of the team would be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have got. Thanks for watching, and keep on trucking.